Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lahari from Leo Dental, Bangalore. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed the face of the world. It has affected all the phases of our life, all the parts of the world. It has completely changed the global picture. And the fate of dentistry was severely changed forever with the advent of COVID-19 disease. Even before the advent of COVID-19 disease, dentistry was proudly one of the fields in the medical field which was participating and practicing very good form of sterilization techniques, isolation techniques and prevention of cross-contamination from the patients. With the advent of this COVID-19, now dental treatment has become really very risky and the most contagious thing among the COVID-19 patients. Dentists have been in a dilemma to continue or to take up cases with the risk of affected by the COVID-19 disease. Indian Dental Association along with American Dental Association have formulated some regulations which should be followed in the time of COVID-19 to decide whether the patient has to be treated, should not be treated, and when he is being treated, what is the emergency that is making him an eligible patient to undergo treatment during the COVID-19 pandemic. There is a system of triage that is dividing the patients into three categories. That is, one patient is the emergency, the first number in the triage who needs a mandatory or emergency treatment. Second one is the wait and watch treatment, that is the second section of triage who can be waited, who can be watched and can be treated later. A third section is that who need not be attended in a very near future. So when you are going to a dentist, any dentist will actually segregate you into one of these groups. So if you are into a triage number 1, they will take up your case, they will treat you. If you are into triage number 2, they will give medication, they will follow the pattern of wait and watch. If you are into the third group, they will ask you to wait until the pandemic situation is settled down. Once you fall into the first category of emergency like bleeding gums, pus, swelling, severe pain, uncontrolled pain and swelling in the mouth, if you are into any of these emergency situations, it is better to take an appointment initially, avoid crowding, avoid too many attendants with the patient, go to the doctor at the perfect scheduled time so that you doesn't contaminate the other patients or the other patients doesn't risk you with infection. Go for the schedule. We also dentists are giving minimal appointments during this COVID-19 pandemic. When you are scheduled, go on time. See that what is mandatory to be dentist. Don't postpone. Don't go when you belong to triage 1, behave as if you are in triage 1 and get it treated immediately. Wash your hands. Try not to use the public washrooms. Don't touch many surfaces, and the doctor advises you to put on a disposable or a PPE gown. Don't refuse to wear it and allow the doctor to follow all the protocol that has been mandated by the Indian Dental Association. The doctors are also taking utmost care to provide a very sterile environment and to prevent cross-contamination or new infection from the dental offices. Just remember, it is very risky. We are also humans like you. We also have a family like you. Don't anytime hide your disease or the earlier infection details from the doctor. If you were earlier infected by COVID-19 or if you having symptoms, don't deny or don't hide these things from the doctor. Treat them as a human and equal to you. Don't ever hide your details. Providing your medical background would be helpful to you yourself in the final phase. So being trustworthy, being honest, taking an early decision, going for a proper intervention will all help us, me as a doctor, you as a patient, to fight the COVID-19 pandemic effectively and also maintain our oral care in a very efficient way. Hope all of you take care and don't delay the situations and proper the protocols. Thank you.